Hello everyone. So today we're gonna have a short video on how can you exclude yourself from your website using your IP address. So what I need you to do, I need you to go to admin. From admin you have to go to the data collection, you go to data streams, and then you go to your domain, your website, and then you navigate all the way down. Then you go to configure the tag. Once you are here, I want you to go to show more, and then you need to go to define internal traffic. Once you go here, you have to create a new one. As you can see, it was recorded that I was here, but in my case, I want to exclude myself. So you have to have your IP address. In order to get your IP address, you have to go here. You go to Google, you put what's my IP address, and then you click on this link, and then you get the IP address. You copy, you go here, you paste it, everything is fine. You create, you saved it, you close it. Okay, and now you might need to give it like 30 minutes. So because you know that Google Analytics will check the last 30 minutes active users, so you wait for like 30 minutes, and then if you want to check, you go to reports, you go to real-time overview, and then you see that okay, you are not there anymore. So this is how can you exclude your IP address. I'm really sorry, I'm a little bit quiet because my daughter is asleep, but I hope that this video helped you to exclude your IP address from your website. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye bye.